So what's up guys, it's me, Kangaroo here, and today we're going to be making a part 2 of Living in the Seas. So, get it here, Living in the Seas, good name, boom, cancel. So in the other video we got a lot of resources, and today we're going to be finishing the farm. I'm going to be building a potato and a carrot farm. So yeah, so let's get it. So we're gonna be adding like 3 to 3. For now it's gonna be 3 to 3. I don't want to expand it so much because later on I'm gonna be still needing a lot of food because I'm actually gonna go mining, and I'm actually gonna go try and complete the cities with killing the Ender Dragon. So see, let's put another one because you see I have actually enough for. Let's just, god damn it. Okay, boom, boom and boom. And let's place the potato here and here. And now let's just go. I have last ladder. So this is gonna be my mine. The thing is, how I'm gonna make this my mine? Because if you see, and if we go here, okay, this is a safe zone. But how can I get help? If I do like this and this, okay. So let's then do like that. Okay, I know this is gonna happen, so I can kind of prepare. I have this block. Boom. It still is gonna be a problem. What the heck just happened? It just removed the chunk. Come here, chunky boy. An actual reference I made from my old video because I saw a video of it on TikTok. Oh, actually, I recently found out Blaster has a TikTok. El Cringe. I know. A YouTuber who makes Minecraft and Roblox videos, mostly Roblox videos, has a YouTube channel. He definitely doesn't have a girlfriend. Oh my god, I hate this. Go down. No, frick it. Okay, oh my god, this is super annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Can I just get the stone already? I'm gonna place one. Okay, now finally reach the stones. So we'll have. Let's go down. Can I just have more in a piece here? Just to talk about how God hates me. Can I get like a normal goddamn spawn? Like a goddamn normal cave. Because you're gonna be hearing me screaming a lot for the most of the part of the video. Here's the where is the hole this time? I'm getting angry and angry every second. No, everywhere I go is bad. I just outsmarted it because I don't actually care about this one because I actually don't play blocks like this. Yes, don't say I made a cave if I didn't, I'm gonna cry. I made a cave finally. It definitely didn't take me like 5 hours to make it. And I hear a cave. So let's see, where is the cave? Okay, if you mind, like here, just gonna be cave. You see the sea? See how the sea is like basically crazier to me? Okay, let's just mine down. A lot of times if you mine this, you're gonna go in the cave, but not this time. And we mine into a cave. How many skeletons does this cave have? Well, it is good for resources, but Creeper's gonna end my whole cool here. Ooh, Bozo, oh my god. Bozo me. Alright, let's get out, let's get out. I'm literally gonna die if I don't get out. Wait, I still have, so yeah, I can make a farm. I have bone meal right now. How am I gonna get help? God damn it. So see, this is kind of stupid, I know, but we found a cave, which is pretty impressive. Finding a cave. Okay, I'm gonna make one more combo. Here we have some more potatoes. We can cook the potatoes and make some potatoes. Bye bye. Okay, let's just make it bigger because it's potatoes and you can actually cook potatoes. But with carrots, yes, I know you can make golden carrots, but still, I'm gonna cry about it. Oh yeah, we have a map, so what we can do, if we get lost, we can just scribble like this, you know? If we get lost, we can go like, so yeah, basically. We have some potatoes. Let's cook half of it. What I mean half, I mean like, let's cook 6. But if you can make it rock hard, in the goddamn how this for a second, I keep forgetting this isn't lava. Like what I wanted to say. Imagine if you crafted. I don't know how to say it. Imagine if you used 20 FPS. Why is it 20? It feels like I'm playing on 40, but okay, it doesn't matter. It's because I'm recording, I think so. It can't be because. Oh, goddamn it. Okay, I'm just gonna go for the fact what I wanted to say. Imagine if you can craft fish into bone meal. Minecraft stonks. Okay. Oh no. I remember what happened. Remember what happened when I made this mini hole? 1 million zombies? Well, I mean not 1 million zombies. How did water came here? Boom. God damn it. There's a spawner, like, guaranteed. Okay, I'm literally gonna die from that. This is a ravine. And the ravine goes deep. So that means if we go in the ravine, we find diamonds. But I don't really care about the diamonds. Okay, what about this stuff? Okay, the skeleton doesn't see me. So I'm gonna mine this iron. Okay, you don't mind? You mind if I mine these diamonds? Mine diamonds? Diamonds, yes, diamonds. No, you camper, come here. Oh god damn it, this lava. Imagine if the zombie just comes and knocks me out. LOL. How embarrassing. How can I do? Baby zombie, baby zombie, baby zombie, come here. I hate the baby zombies. I remember in the old versions when baby zombies didn't born at the daylight. Boom. I remember when I made like a shack of sand because in the desert mobs spawn often. More often than your father comes back from work. I just tried to say something, okay? I am kinda mad because how many zombies are here? There's more zombies and skeletons than my subscribers are watching me. Ooh. Oh, you betrayer. We killed the creeper and this is how you repay me? No. This kinda reminds me of me. Like 9 black men and okay, that's racist. But this kinda reminds me of me. Oh my god, there's even more skeletons. Oh my god. No, leave me, please. My shield is gonna break. These son of a crackers don't. Okay, they're gonna shoot, yeah. MLG. Ooh, rebozo. Okay, we're going through the ocean. Ocean eyes. Copyright. Okay, let's restock on food. So let's eat some food, not restock, you stupid idiot. Glow squid, yay, good food source. Oh, good for insects. Okay, let's exit the ocean. It's night. Did you see the dolphin? That was cute. That was really cute dolphin. Oh, don't laugh at. Okay, so let's make a chest because I'm definitely gonna need it. So you see how many stuff I have. I have more stuff than America has people in it. Okay, let's put it. Not stuff that I need. Let's example. We are gonna be needing doors like 100%. There's no point for a emerald because I'm not gonna find a village underwater. Maybe a ruined village, but what's the chances? Okay, let's. Okay, why aren't you doing it with carrots? Because I actually want to cook. I want to cook mad. No, just kidding. Why am I like this? Why today I'm actually being a funny guy this time? Like, I'm gonna make like stupid jokes. Okay, about to erase this part, okay. I don't even want to this is a meme. I have the choice. Well, I didn't say the N word. Okay, that's even more racist if I don't say it anyway. Okay, so sorry guys. Sorry for me being an idiot. I was born like that, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I'm back cooking potatoes. Like I was saying, I think 14 will be enough. So let's just have this map in my hand. I forgot to make a sword. Okay, just escape this. I want to add like wheel sound because, but I want because always if I add sound to my YouTube video, like this crap is getting copyrighted. So let's go like in this direction. For a second I thought I found a sheep. Okay, another crystal cave. Let's look around for ships. This bastard just threw a trident at me. And I found the ship. You know what? I'm gonna lower my chunks a bit. Like, this will be enough. Stink. This will be enough. Oh my god, something just messed with my recorder. No. I already knew something was wrong with it. That when I saw it with my both eyes. Okay. Well, I don't think this is the same ship that I found the first time. Yes, because it's missing the bottom. It's missing. Someone ate it. Okay, potatoes, suspicious stew, some wheat. Yeah. Sadly, we don't have some wheat. You see, the witch didn't laugh. I don't even know. God damn it! It's the W key again. Where is this biscuit? Okay, I thought I'm gonna find the main loot, but wait. The other time I found it here, but no, it's only the only one chest. Only one chest? Diggity giggity. I wanted to say diggity giggity, but not giggity diggity. Oh, how did I say this? Quagmire. Ah, goddamn! I just bite my tongue. Oh my god! I just bite my tongue. Okay, I'll better. A bit. Why is there so much of these caves, crystal caves? Okay, I see another chest over there. Well, I don't see the chest. Well, I see the building who has the chest. Monument. How's it called? God damn, I'm not an English guy. Okay. Let's speedrun. Okay, ooh, that was a close call, but now we have a fishing rod. God damn it. And let's see if where is home? We ran in a bit of a problem. Wait, is it because I'm not in full screen? Why? Do we need better chunks? 20? 90? Oh god damn it, we're basically screwed right now. We're screwed. Okay, so I see the ship where we were the first time. Why is it lagging? 18 FPS? I didn't make it like on okay, let's make it on 14, okay? My PC is kinda crappy because it just got a CPU notice. Okay, my hey you prick PC scrap. Boy, you know one, huh? Oh, you want sponsor? No sponsor. No sponsor. We only do sponsor when people deserve sponsors who has most subscribers. Why did I just do a Chinese voice? And where is my goddamn base? Okay, I found it. I found the mark. Second night I'm gonna become homeless. Gonna be listening to Ed Sheeran. Okay, I found it. Oh boy, I can't wait to use my fishing rod. Hell yeah! And boom, like 1 million roms to my. Ooh, spooky. So this is gonna be it for the episode here. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and stay for more for the series. Don't forget to watch the first episode I made of the video, because if you don't, you will miss a lot of it. Because I'm planning to make a other episode today, or if I don't have time, I'm gonna make it like tomorrow. So okay, goodbye guys. Don't forget, If you want to become a jumper, you always press the subscribe button. Goodbye.